Hello dear students. In the previous classes of AutoCAD, I have already discussed the draw command, all the draw commands and modify commands. So today we are going to discuss the shortcut key for the draw command and modify command. So you can operate the draw command and modify command by using these shortcut key. So first we will discuss the draw command shortcut key and then we will discuss modify shortcut keys. So in draw command, first command is line command. So for operating line command, we have to press L, enter, L, enter. So now you can see that the line command is started. So you can draw line by using this shortcut key, L, enter. Now next is constriction line. If you want to do the drawing of constriction line, then you have to press X, L, X, L and enter. So if you click at any point on the AutoCAD like this, so you will get the constriction line. Constriction line basically used for the projection line. It is used as a projection line. Next is polyline, and the shortcut key for polyline is PL. We have to enter PL and the command of polyline started like this. So when you click on this line, you will see that all the lines get selected at the same time. So this is polyline. Next command is POL. You have to press POL. When you press POL, you will get the option of polygon. So when the polygon command started, you first thing that you have to enter is the number of sides of polygon. Next command is rectangle. So for rectangle command, you have to type REC and then enter. So you will get the rectangle here. Next is arc. So for creating arc, you have to type A, enter. So like this. Then for circle, you have to type C, enter. Like this. Next is ellipse. If you want to do drawing of ellipse, then what you have to type? You have to type capital EL, EL. So by EL and press enter key. So ellipse command started like this. Okay. Next is ellipse arc. If you want to draw the part of a ellipse, then you have to type EI, enter. Then again you have to press A, then enter. So this is how the ellipse arc is formed by using this command EI, enter and A, enter. You will get this ellipse arc. Okay. So next drawing line is ray. For drawing ray, ray is the line of infinite length. So for that you have to type RAY, then enter. So specify first point. If this is the first point, you can see that from this point a continuous line or the continuous array of length, continuous length or infinity length can be drawn with the help of ray command. Now next is, so these are the drawing commands, shortcut keys. Now we will discuss modify shortcut keys. Okay. So Modify shortcut key start from copy. Copy. First modify command that we use is copy command. So for that you have to type in the command line CO and then enter. So suppose I want to copy this circle, then I have to type CO and then enter. Now it will ask me that select the object which you want to copy. So click on the object which you want to copy and enter. You have to select the base point about which you want to copy. So this is how the copy command, shortcut key command works. CO is for copy. Next is mirror. Next is mirror. So for mirror command, we have to draw a line about which we have to do mirror. Okay. Now for mirror command, we have to type MI. You can see that you will getting the option of mirror. Then enter. Now you have to select the object which you want to copy. For example, this circle we want to copy. So select it and then press enter. So now specify the point about which you want to copy this circle. So this is how, and mirror of this circle occurs, and it will ask you a question that erase source object. If you want to keep this object, you have to press no, and if you want to delete this and keep only the mirror image, you have to press Y, enter. Okay. So MI is the shortcut key for mirror command. Next is offset. For offset command, what you have to do, you have to type O, enter. So you are getting offset command from O shortcut key. Press enter. Okay. Next is array. If you want to do the array, then you have to type AR. You will get the option of array. Okay. Select the object which you want to do the array, then press enter key. You have to choose that which type of array you want to create. That is rectangular array, path array, polar array. This I have already discussed in detail in my previous lectures. Next is move command. For move command, I have to type M, enter. Okay. So then AutoCAD will ask you that select the object which you want to move. Then you can easily move as discussed by me in my previous lectures. Next is rotate command. If you want to rotate a command, then the shortcut key for the rotate command is RO. You are getting the option of this rotate. So enter. You have to select the object which you want to rotate. Next is trim command, trim modify command. For that, the shortcut key is TR. So you are getting the option of trim. Then enter. Okay. Select the object which you want to trim. So you can trim that object. Next is extend command. For creating extend command, you have to type EX. So you are getting the option of extend. You have to enter it and you want to select the object which you want to extend. Okay, so these are the modify commands, shortcut key for the modify commands. Okay, for scale modify command, we have to type SC. Then you are getting the option of scale like this. You have to select the object which you want to do the scale of. So these are the options which are used for creating drawing commands and modify commands, shortcut key. Okay. So I think this is clear. So today's lecture is over. Thank you so much and have a nice day.